Go for it. No, it's because you didn't come last time, so we gotta prove that it's because you're here. I say go for it.
Can we get a minor bonus?
Whoa. No, it's gonna be a mini if we get one. Team mini. It's not bad for a quick spin bonus though. Uh oh, no stranger. Can we just hit that 16 grand? Oh shit. Be light in that tunnel. Oh, they break out the big bass drum for that one.
Come on.
It can. It could just snap in there.
Really?
Yeah. Highly unlikely because this man was brought to you by the horse race. All that excitement. I thought it was way more. Thanks for watching.